What I want to do today is I want to put a grab bar across here so that when you come out of the pot, you get something to grab on and stabilize yourself before you come across the bridge. So we're putting some fat off one of the Sailboat systems, like the ones we have on the side. We're putting it in these holes where I made it in the Bimini, the Dodger, so it would be able to connect it on. So we put it right here. Today I'm going to be installing a new grab rail right at the bridge of the cockpit where the companionway opens up. We need something to hold on to, and the kit from Sailboat is really, really good. It's got everything you need: split connectors, ends, and the bar itself. So we'll be installing this. This is going to make a big difference when we come in and out of the cockpit to give us something to grab to and stabilize ourselves. I had already left some openings on the bow for the Dodger, so we'll slip these split connectors over that bow and insert the included bolts and screws. The split connectors also have a standoff to stand the bar off from your bow, and 2 nylon washers to keep it from rattling around, making any kind of sound when you connect the ends. Just make sure you use the correct Allen key to tighten these up, and then we'll connect the bar to this. It only takes just a couple of minutes to install these, and because of the hinged design for the connector or the jaw, it makes it really easy. You don't have to take your bows apart to put both of them on. Next, remove the 2 screws that comes with it that's going to bolt the ends of the bar onto this jaw type split connector. And make sure don't lose the nylon washers. Don't let them fall in the water, especially. That'll keep a bar from rattling or making any kind of sound while you're underway. Next, you'll want to install the first end for the bar. Make sure and put the screw through the nylon washer, and then put a nylon washer on each side before you bolt it up. This will make it a whole lot easier to measure the exact length of the bar so you get it cut correctly the first time. It's important to remember to mount the end so that the Allen screw that holds the end onto the bar is down, so you can get back to it to tighten the Allen screw up on the bar. Next, you'll want to insert the 1-inch bar that's included with the kit into the end, and then you'll be able to mark it, to know where to cut it, so where it's going to be inserted into the other end, get the exact length. I found the easiest way to cut these stainless steel bars is with an angle grinder, especially a battery operated one. If you try to use a jigsaw or a hacksaw, it just takes forever to go through that stainless steel. That stainless steel is super hard, and you don't want to have to cut it but once. And this makes a really good cut. It also evens the end on it, and it grinds it at the same time, so the end doesn't become sharp or hard to get into the connector itself. Remember, when you're cutting a stainless steel bar, it gets extremely hot. So make sure and do not touch it anywhere close to where you're cutting. And it'd be nice to have a vise to put it in, but I didn't have one, so I was having to do the best I can. And make sure that you don't cut anything behind the bar too. Once you get it installed in each end, tighten up the 2 Allen screws and also the screws that hold the bar to the split jaw connectors. And then you can adjust the angle too, so that you don't come out and hit your head on it every time. But it's just such a great bar to grab onto when you come out of the companionway and off the bridge. You can grab onto it going out, and you can grab onto it going back in, going down the companionway. And if you're in the cockpit and a boat comes by, big waves, you got something to stabilize yourself. It really worked well. Unfortunately, this restaurant, Snooki's, closed down shortly after shooting this, but they do have another location in Cherry Grove, and the food was always good. So it was a good time, so it was worth sharing.
Hey gang, here we are. We're actually at Snooki's restaurant behind Dreamweaver at Little River. Here's Kathy over here with me. Kathy, one of your favorite places to eat?
Yep.
And lo and behold, do we run into somebody that I know all of y'all know who it is. As soon as you see him, the girls are gonna go wild. But my friend, John Winslow. John, good to see you. That's a nice shirt you have on there too,
Thanks,
John.
thanks. Friend gave it to me.
Yep. So, have you enjoyed your time here so far? Getting your boat to Little River and getting to know some people and places to eat?
I have.
Yeah. So, you're going to be able to come back and do some trips and stuff with us, you know, over through the years, I guess, and really maybe the Stanley Cup?
Yep.
Cool.
Right now the goal is to get the boat ready to go to the Bahamas in first of next year.
Okay, cool. So I hope we'll be joining you along the way. Either you might already be there and we get there behind, or buddy boat. But anyway, so let's see what we can get to eat, and we'll show everybody how good it is. And maybe we'll talk to one of the people here at the restaurant, and they can explain how good it is, so everybody can come by and get a bite to eat here. It's a wonderful restaurant. All right, Kathy, what did you get to eat?
Sesame encrusted ahi tuna
Okay.
with rice pilaf and
John, I think you used
I copied Kathy.
college soup. So what you're saying, if it's not good, it's her fault.
That's right.
Okay, I didn't copy Kathy. So I have horseradish encrusted salmon. Ooh, it looks really good. We're hungry.
whole thing.
All right, here we are at Snooki's again, and we just ate. And it was. Did you like your food?
It was delicious.
John, did you like your food?
It's good.
All right. So I have my friend Chloe here. They say she's the main waitress, and you've been here for a long time because you used to have
Yeah, I've been here since last year.
Yeah, because you was here before. So Chloe, tell us a little bit about yourself and a little bit about the restaurant.
This is Snooki's on the Water. It's one of my favorite places to be at. I am 20 years old. I live here in Little River, and I'm in nursing school. So this is my little summer job.
Okay, and so a lot of times y'all have music here too, right?
We do. We have live music. We should have it back soon.
Okay. It's only the weekends?
Wednesday through Saturday.
Wednesday through Saturday. So is there anything else that you'd like to say? I know we've been talking, and we really have a good time eating here. We come here quite often. So anyway, so Chloe, take us out of here.
Come hang out with us at Snooki's on the Water.
All right, thank you, Chloe.
Next episode on Dreamweaver
rerun this
Recipe.
hose.
Remember, we had all the trouble with heating, so we actually, the floor panels come up, which is kind of cool. Didn't know this about a Catalina. Floor panels come up, able to get the hose. We're pulling the hose out, and then the hose goes back here. I'll show you. I'm gonna turn the light on so you can see.